Hi friends, thank you for coming back. It's Elaine Marie. How are you today? I hope you're doing wonderful. Guess what? We're going to paint something very bright and cheery, and I think we're going to do maybe a sunset. Okay, what do we have here? We have some white paint, yellow, orange, light blue, and turquoise. Okay, so let's get going. Okay, here we go. I'm trying out some of my new flat brushes. So I'm going to dab some of that light blue with the white. And I gave my canvas a very light mist. Okay? I'm sure everyone's doing well, and if you're not, I hope you will feel better. If you're feeling down, start to paint. For me, it just puts me in such a happy mood. There you go. I'm kind of liking this brush. This one's pretty cool. Okay, now on the bottom, I'm going to go the blue, and it's a little darker. Okay, we're going to come in, we're going to pull that up, just like that. Oh, that's really pretty. What do I think I'm going to do? Dab, that's right, dab a little white. Very lightly, friends, go over that. Look how it changes the texture of that. Oh my goodness, very pretty. Now we're going to pull this up like that. Okay, that's pretty. Sometimes you might want to have your painting dry before you want to put more colors in. Right now I'm just going to be doing what they call like a wet on wet. Okay, so now let's switch brushes real quick, and I have a flat brush. I think what I'm going to do, how about we do some orange right about there. Okay, we're going to soften that up with some white. Let's get some orange up there and see what we got going. And then we're going to bring in some white. We're going to pull that right down. Okay, and we're going to come up. There you go. And then we're going to pull it down. Try to get that to blend a little bit. Oh, I like that. So bright. Love it. Okay. Now, same brush. You don't have to even wipe it off. Come in with some yellow. And look how that really makes it pop. Oh yeah, I love that. Oh, that's beautiful. I truly love that. Well, and then what we're going to do, softly bring that like that, just a little bit, okay, into the borderline. Now, I'm going to just dab that off. Okay, now let's come in with some of that darker blue, and this can be, let me see, okay, a horizontal line or horizon line. Oh, I love that already. And I'm going to take my smaller flat brush, and I'm going to come in with some white. And I'm going, because this is still, yes, this is still a little wet, and that's what I want. Because I'm going to take that white and have it wear this orange I'm going to pull it up. Oh, this is really cool. Let me check something with this light. Yo, a lot better. Yeah, a lot better, I think, with the light. You can really appreciate the orange. Okay, well, I'm pulling it up very lightly. And look how it blends. Because everything is still a little wet. And that really gave us 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let me have a little white coming down in here. This is really cool and I'm getting excited. I really love it. Now, my little sponge. Give that a little swirl. Okay, and what, let me see. Right about here, give it a little twist. And again, whoop. And again, friends, if you cannot work on an easel, lay it down flat. Lay it flat. Okay. And I'll just straighten it. You know what's good about acrylic? Any painting. You can go over it. It'll come out great. It'll be fine. When this dries right here, I'll just come in with a little bit of that blue, and that'll be fine. Boy, I really love that. That's absolutely gorgeous. And I think I might want to, let me just come in with a little white, maybe down here. Oh, friends, I want to tell you something. I also, my paintings are now available in my Etsy shop. Oh, I'm so excited. And I put a link on my description on my channel of my YouTube. And if you can't find that, it's Elaine Marie Creations.etsy.com. Elaine Marie Creation.etsy.com. Yeah, I'm going to put a little white in there, I think, on the bottom. Make it look like a little waves going on. And if you don't want to do that, that's fine, friends. Oh, I just love trying different things, friends, and that's what makes it really a lot of fun. That is really pretty, and I'm sure yours is too. Please stop by my shop. Okay, friends, and come back to the next video. Have a great day, friends. Bye-bye.